GameCube games are crashing when you enable dual core in Dolphin Emulator. Stop that right now. This video will fix your Dolphin Emulator dual core setting crashing issues permanently so you can play without interruption. First, we need to revert that problematic dual core setting. Open Dolphin Emulator, go to Options, then Configuration and find the GameCube tab. Simply uncheck the dual core option, click Apply and then OK. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in CPU emulation settings, which brings us to method 2. In the configuration menu, navigate to the Advanced tab and uncheck the JIT recompiler. This often resolves deeper conflicts. If you're still facing crashes after those initial adjustments, it's time to clear out potentially corrupted data. For method 3, completely close Dolphin Emulator, find its installation folder and delete the GC subfolder. Restart the emulator, reconfigure your basic settings and ensure dual core remains disabled. This purges temporary files that might be causing the instability. Finally, if none of that works, the emulator itself might be outdated or have a corrupted installation. So for method 4, visit the official Dolphin Emulator website, download the absolute latest stable version and install it. After installation, carefully transfer your settings and reapply the fixes we've discussed, especially ensuring dual core stays off. This ensures you have a clean, updated emulator environment for stable GameCube gameplay.